Have you ever wondered where multi-billion-dollar companies like Nike, Lululemon, Patagonia, or fitness brands like Hydro Flask or Bowflex actually source their products? Well, if you're an e-commerce seller and are looking for the highest quality products, I have the perfect video for you. Let me start by saying this video is not sponsored in any sort of way. I just want to give you a golden nugget type of video. I use a lot of different softwares to help me in my online e-commerce businesses, but this tool is bar none something I've never found anywhere else. What I'm talking about is called the Jungle Scout Supplier Database. Now, what you're able to do is take a competitor brand name, their company name, or even the product identifier, which you can find on Amazon by their ASIN, and you can plug it into this database here, and it's able to actually show you where these big brands are getting their products. This is perfect if you're looking for an out-the-gate, top-notch supplier that's producing products for these top brands like North Face, etc. Also, you're able to validate the supplier before even reaching out, and you can even negotiate better deals. Perhaps some of these suppliers already have good supply chains built up in the United States where they're able to get your product shipped into the Amazon warehouses or wherever you're shipping even faster. I'm on Amazon here and I'm just showing you the sheer amount of crazy search volume every month for certain keywords around the brand Lululemon. So these are staple brand names that everyone pretty much already knows about. This again is a totally different tool. This is Helium 10. So I use a few different tools to help me. I will have all the tools linked below so you can easily access them. A product I'm even looking to do myself is actually something similar to these smart rings, like the Aura ring. That's another big brand, and I'm figuring, if I go to Alibaba.com and just type in smart ring, you can see there's a lot of different suppliers. This is what I would normally do. I would type in smart ring, and now I see all these different supplier names right here that I can simply go contact and reach out to them. You'll notice the rings are, $16, $20, $12 in some cases. And a lot of these rings look pretty much identical to the same ring Aura ring is selling here at $350. So technically, if I found the Aura ring supplier, negotiated a good deal with them, and was able to get this thing for, even $50 would be a crazy price, because this thing's making over 2,000 sales in a month at $350 per unit. So if I just say 350 bucks, even if my product cost me $50, you can see the Amazon fees here. Again, this is Helium 10's tool showing me this, but that would be $260 profit per sale times 2,000. We're talking huge numbers in profit. That's over $520,000 a month in profit with just this one listing. And that's if they're paying almost $50 per unit, where we're able to see it as low as $12 in some cases. That's a lot cheaper than $50. So let me show you how we can use the supplier database to reverse search and find our top competitors' suppliers. One thing I do want to mention first is just using ChatGPT. So I came in here and typed in who manufactures the Aura ring, because the supplier database, you can type in the product like Aura ring, but I would recommend at least putting in the company name or ASIN. Now, the easiest way to find the actual company name of the product type you're looking for is just plugging it right into ChatGPT. I said, who manufactures the Aura ring? And I quickly found this is a Finnish company called Aura Health Limited, founded in 2013. And it says it's a Finnish company headquartered in Finland, but I wanted to dig deeper. I'm like, okay, so is the product actually made in China? So that's where we're gonna get the best prices on our products overseas. It says, yes, Aura rings are primarily manufactured in China through the company Aura Health Limited. So even though it's a Finnish-based company, the product is actually manufactured in China. That's how they're getting the product for probably like 20 bucks and then upselling it for 350. So another way I could do this is just putting in the product ASIN. So I'll grab the ASIN right here for the actual Aura ring product, and let's paste it in here and see what we can find. So there's our ring, and I can see right here, these are the top customers. So I would see exactly the supplier that Aura ring is sourcing their product from. And once I do more research and actually find the company, I can just press search for the supplier contact info, and I have their website, email, phone number. I can find that stuff easily and message them about getting this high quality product that huge brands are already sourcing from. So another example to make it a little more clear for you and show you right away where these companies are getting products from, I just said, what is Patagonia's actual company name? And it said it's Patagonia Inc. So let me copy that, come back to, okay, we'll say company in the supplier database, paste it in, and we can go ahead and see exactly where that famous clothing brand Patagonia is getting their shipments. So you can see they're working with this supplier here. It does show their company name right here, along with Lacoste, Hugo Boss, Lucky. So even Michael Kors is sourcing from this supplier. So this is an invaluable tool to help you find the best suppliers for your products, so you know out the gate you're working with the top-notch people. And you can even go in ChatGPT, this is what I was gonna do further, and say, what makes the Aura ring different than competitors? Okay, I kind of misspelled that word, it's all good. So I can go ahead and see all of the different reasons why Aura Ring is better than the competition. Maybe they have more high-tech features such as better heart rate monitoring or sleep tracking techniques, longer battery life, no subscription needed for the app you need to check your stats. So I would get all this information first. I would come back to the supplier database. I'd go ahead and pretty much search for the supplier's contact info, and I'd contact them and then make sure that they can manufacture the product with pretty much the same specifications as the leading brand Aura Ring is already doing. And then I would try and bring something else to market, so it's not just the ring that we're selling here. Maybe it's a bundled item or something else to really help me differentiate and stand out. Not to mention, this is a really small package to ship, so all the costs are gonna be extremely low for this type of product. I'm personally interested in this, but I wanna make sure I get the most premium quality product and build a legit brand. It's not about just the product, you also have to focus on marketing. So I'm gonna get the best product photography possible I can for this. I'm gonna go reach out on social media and find amazing influencers to start helping me market the product. And I'm gonna drive external traffic to my Amazon listing where it's gonna turn into a ton of sales, and then I can start charging that premium price because I will have, amazing images. If you look at what the Aura Ring images are, I mean, these aren't even that high quality of images, to be honest. I could probably compete against that, but they've done such a good job marketing that they're able to stand out and get crazy customer demand enough to make 2,000 sales in the last month at this crazy price. And this is their cheaper model. They have a $500 model right here making over 1,000 sales. So after I get one product going, I can scale into different colors, different technology. This one has up to 8 days of battery life versus the other one at 7 days of battery life. And you'll want to confirm that it is indeed the supplier based on the total number of shipments and imports. When they have a high number of those imports, then you're going to know for a fact that this is one of the real main suppliers that they're ordering from. A company as big as Nike or Lacoste might be ordering from multiple different suppliers. You can even come and see Lacoste right here is ordering from this supplier, and then Lacoste is also ordering again from this supplier. So just do your due diligence. I hope this video helped you out. Please smash the thumbs up on this and share it with people that are interested in finding the best suppliers for their products. Drop in the comment section, what products are you currently interested in? Have you started Amazon yet? If you want more information on how to actually get started, I can give you more resources in the description of this video. I have full-length coaching calls. I have a full-length course taking you A to Z. Every step you need is gonna be in there. It's fully updated for 2025. I hope this, again, helped you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.